Hello, everyone. My name is Madsen Sorello, and I'm the owner and managing partner here at U-Nique Accounting. You can learn more about what we do by visiting us at u-niqueaccounting.com. And while you're there, I recommend that you check out our free stuff page, where you can read our blog and download free guidebooks like the top 10 cash flow mistakes that can cripple a business. If you're wondering what I'm drinking today it's coffee. It's been a long week. I'm very tired. I had to stay up late because the Bears actually won a football game on Monday night against the Patriots. That's why I'm wearing the logo Very Proud today. Normally, I would be drinking out of my cup that has the hashtag Make Today Count. So Make Today Count is a slogan for my Best Friends Foundation, which is a close and personal not-for-profit that I'm a board member of. A link will be provided to you at the end of this video for a form that you can fill out for you or someone you know that's been impacted by cancer in their life. So let's go jump into today's topic. Today's topic is why your brewery should be using the 13-month calendar. So as an owner of a brewery and taproom, you already have a really tough job. You basically have to run 4 different businesses that all operate differently. You're a manufacturer, you're a distributor, you're running a retail shop possibly, and also beverage and food service. And you always run a risk of contamination where you can lose a whole batch or a week's worth. And unlike other business models, you're always in a state of innovation with new brewery methods and flavors and styles. So the last thing you need is slow and inaccurate financial statements that make it difficult to analyze your business so you can make important decisions. As an owner of a brewery, have you ever looked at your monthly financials and just thought they're just not a true depiction of what's going on in the business? Your period over period performance looks wonky. You manage your prime costs pretty tightly, but the labor percentage costs on your financials will dip down and up too much. So the issue is your financials stink, and here's the reason why. So your data and margins fluctuate up and down because you just don't have the time to allocate your payroll costs into the right period of time. Your taproom sales data from month to month has a different day of the week that it starts and ends, which impacts the number of weekend days that appear on a report. So I'm here to tell you that there's a much better way to do your reporting and accounting, and it's actually easier to implement and manage than your current monthly accounting and financial reporting method. And so the problem behind this is the Gregorian calendar. So this is the calendar that you've been using your whole life. There are 12 months, and each month has a different number of days in it. From a business point of view, this calendar makes record keeping and financial reporting for your business more complicated. And here are the reasons. Each month ends on a different day of the week. Each month has a different number of weekdays and weekends in it. So right away, you can see why this is an issue for your brewery. You run your business on a weekly method. So the solution is what we call the 13-month calendar, also known as the 52-53-week calendar. So instead of having a different amount of days each month, like the Gregorian calendar, the 13-month calendar consists of 13 periods of exactly 28 days in each period, or 4 weeks. Every financial period will have the exact same number of days in it. More importantly, every financial period has the same number of weekdays and weekends in it, and they always will end on the same day of the week. It's easier record keeping of your accounting and payroll data, and easier period over period comparisons on your financial reports. So you're asking yourself now, should I make the switch? And I'll tell you that if your sales follow a weekly model, with the weekends representing the bulk of your business, then yes, 100% yes. The 13-month calendar process will provide you fast and accurate analysis of your prime costs so you can keep a handle on your business finances. Is there a reason why you shouldn't switch? There is, but it's very minor. Because each 13-month calendar only includes a total of 364 days in it, instead of the normal 365 days, every 5 to 6 years, there has to be a 53rd week added until the last week of December, since every year is 1 day short of the 365 days. And yes, this is a little weird, but it's just a little nuance that's very minor compared to the advantages that your business will have with the better financial reporting. So thank you for listening to our advice on the 13-month calendar. If you appreciate our advice, please remember to like our video and subscribe to our channel for future content. Until then, remember, don't conform, stay unique.